Hi y'all. Today I'll be making Cajun chicken pasta. So these are the seasonings I use. And then I just use these spicy chicken breasts. I got mine from Wegmans, but I'm sure you can get it other places. I'm making some broccoli, and you just need like any cheese for real, but I just use Parmesan and a Mexican blend. And you could use any pasta you want. I'd like to use that, minced garlic, heavy cream, and some onions. Now just saute your onions until they're soft in some olive oil. And just boil your noodles while that's happening. I salted my water a little bit, and the directions on the back of the box on how long to boil the noodles, but I just keep tasting until it's as soft as I like it. Air fry your chicken or oven. The back of the directions, the back of the bag had the directions. Now I'm just gonna make some broccoli. I just boil it into soft as well. And now I'm just gonna mince my garlic along with my onions. I just minced it. Not minced it. I just cook it until it's browned a little bit. And after it's browned, I just add. Oh, here's me like mixing it up, mincing it. And then I'm gonna pour 1 1/4 cup. You can add a little bit more, like maybe 1 1/2, because I did not have enough sauce. And I forgot to add, I added half of the box of pasta. And just add it and let it cook for about probably like 10 minutes on low. On low heat. And then you're just gonna take your seasonings and season the pasta. You don't have to put too much. As long as it's seasoned, do not have to be salty. Yeah. And if you don't want it too spicy, just don't add any cayenne pepper or crushed red pepper flakes. You can just add Cajun, because the Cajun slap your mama it's not really spicy at all. Just add in paprika. You don't need too much. And I forgot to mention, I usually use like fresh chicken breasts, but this is just an easy meal to do when you're in a rush and just hungry. And I recommend cutting up an onion and just putting it in a Ziploc bag for when you're ready to cook. You don't have to cut up onion, because Lord knows I hate having to cut up onions, so I always get my roommate to do it for me. But yeah, just have it prepped or in a container, store it, so you just throw it on the stove. And you're just gonna mix all your seasonings together and just let it just simmer, and just make sure you keep mixing it like every 30 seconds or a minute, because you do not want it to curdle. And that's, I think, when the milk is just lumping together. Then you're just gonna take the sauce off the heat after a while and just add your cheeses. You can add as much cheese as you want. I actually ended up adding more cheese after this video, just a little bit. But yeah, you're just gonna add your cheeses and just mix it really good. Yeah, just ignore the cheese falling on the counter. I'm gonna put it back on the stove on really, really low heat, and I'm just gonna add my pasta to it. Mix in the pasta. Yummy, yummy. Nice and creamy. As soon as I said that, I just think of something my brother would have said. He would have said, "That's what she said," or "That's what he said." But anyway, all right, and now we are going to cut up our chicken. So you're just gonna cut it, and then you're gonna dice, make it into smaller pieces. probably cutting so wrong. It's giving when Kendall Jenner was cutting the cucumber. But I don't know. Okay, skip to the, yeah. So just cut up all your chicken, and now we're gonna mix it into the pasta with the sauce. As you can see, the pasta needs more sauce. So I use like a little bit more than half of the box of pasta. So I would recommend, like I said in the beginning, like 1 1/2 of sauce, or just a little bit more. Like, you'll be okay. It's still bomb, but just having a little bit more sauce is better. Some people like their pastas more dry, some people like more sauce. It's all up to you. And now you're just gonna mix it all together. Make sure you wash your hands while you're cooking. I usually wash my hands like 50 times while I'm cooking, but yeah. Just mix it up. So mad this is like my first cooking video, because I've made some good stuff. Like literally 2 days ago I made oxtail, and I should have recorded that as well, but I'm gonna try to start recording the meals I make. I have a little tripod stand that I'm using right now. This, as you can see, is like perfect angle. The lighting is not, it's okay, it's decent, but yeah. So I'm gonna start recording more cooking videos for you guys, especially like simple or just quick for anyone who's like working, might have kids, a college student, just don't feel like cooking something like so hard. So I'm gonna keep making these. Looks so good. And now the tripod was so perfect. I was able to plate it. I feel like a professional. I feel so bougie with my tripod, plating it. So yeah, eventually, this was just to plate it. Eventually I put like a little less pasta, and I put more vegetables on my plate. But yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helped. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cooking videos, vlogs, just everyday lifestyle videos. I'm just gonna be putting all kinds of videos on this page because I'm indecisive. So thanks for watching. Bye.